Okay, so after Cisco, you left Cisco and then you joined Adobe and now in Microsoft. So can you
Yes.
briefly explain this journey to us, to our viewer?
Yeah. So after spending some time in Cisco, I interviewed with Adobe. So
Mm-hmm.
primarily Adobe Acrobat team. It used to be called Adobe Acrobat at that point of time, and joined there as a virtual fresh graduate.
Okay.
So at the similar position as a college graduate, I got a
Mm-hmm.
chance to work in Adobe Acrobat's desktop product, work with their performance team and their virtualization team primarily. Mm, Grew in the career ladder to various individual contributor roles, from member of technical staff to computer
Mm-hmm.
scientist, and then moved to a different domain, which is the mobile domain for Adobe Acrobat.
Okay.
It's now called like the doc cloud team, so the
Mm-hmm.
document cloud as a whole. And thereafter moved into my career, took another leap when I took the position of being an engineering manager in the same team. So delivered a few features on the mobile platform. The primary one being getting the capability of edit PDF in
Mm-hmm.
Acrobat mobile and tablets, both across Android and iOS. Thereafter, moved to Acrobat Web and leading the charter there. So one of the things the team shipped recently was the Adobe Acrobat's Web SDK, which
Yeah.
allows users to embed PDFs and view them in the website itself, so that you don't have to download PDFs from the website. So it kind of gives an experience similar to embed YouTube.
Mm-hmm. It's quite good feature actually. We don't we don't feel it like it's a new feature but when you have pointed this feature, so I am reminding those old days when PDF got downloaded first and then we used to click that.
Right. So
Yeah.
even now, I think you have to download it. So browsers have inbuilt capability of PDF, but
Mm-hmm.
even then the PDF gets downloaded onto your device and then gets viewed in a separate window altogether. So the page
Mm-hmm.
gets reloaded. So you never get a chance to view the PDF alongside your website. So
Okay.
being able to view the content of the website and trying to read the PDF as well, side by side.
Okay.
So this is the kind of experience which we are trying to inculcate, and this is how we envision the web, how we envisioned the web for future. So I think, yeah, that was how my journey with Adobe has been. So recently I've moved to Microsoft. So I realized that that I could do a domain change in my career at this moment. It has been very long with PDFs. So
Mm-hmm.
I switched domains and moved to the team which is related to creating education experiences in
Okay.
Microsoft.
Okay.
So the team is primarily focused on creating experiences which are so Microsoft's way of contributing to education. So there are
Okay.
multiple verticals wherein we are modifying teams and we are modifying OneNote to be able to provide education capability.
So give one feedback from my side for the teams. Actually, my daughter, who is a 5 year old, also using Teams for her education, for the school education.
Okay,
And recently,
all right.
Teams thumbnail got shifted from 4 to 9. So it's a good move from Teams. Previously, we were able
Thank you
to
very
just
much.
previously we were able to just see those 4 windows, and that's
For
quite
people,
problematic for the teachers. So
right.
but if it can be 16 or 20, that would be great because there are 25 or some odd students in the class and teacher is talking to everyone. So that's a bit problem.
I'll get
So,
your message forwarded to the appropriate channel.
so I got the right
To the
one.
appropriate channel. Sure.